Well, the Bergen Assembly was standing out for me because, you know, work in competitions seemed to be often, I think, perhaps stuff which is very gimmicky or thought of very special. And that was very special in a very simple way. It was only black and white. You know, it stood out because it was just calming me down and reminded me of the craft of book design, really. Yeah, because especially in book design, I think you have to remind yourself that it has a really, really long tradition. I mean, it sounds like a traditionalist now, which I'm not, but I think you have to kind of first go back in time in order to do good books in the future. In a way, as I said, it pushes the category forward by, by appreciating the past, by keeping it simple, by keeping it clear, and by having really good decisions about materials, typography, and so on.